Don't be emotional.
Land will not go to Assam.
Don't be emotional.
Adelbert.
Haka sngi basal jong ka yeng Dorbar Thalaiñ haka khatsau tarik unai lur ajar arpuar unong mikmat jong ka steng trap National Awakening Movement knam uba Adelbert nongrum haka samoy bu jingkili ulakop yang Myntri Rangbah ka jalla uba Konrad ki sangma balada unut ban wanra ya ka jingpen shai halor ka jingpen bet put pen bet sam hapedeng ka jalla Meghalaya bat Assam bat ulak kadau ru ba ka sarkar kala rem haka ban kendu ya ki jingdon kam jong kinong kit kam Hakani ka jingatai niya o Symbud Myntri Rangbah ka jala ba prestun tensong ula benrap da ka ba ong yo ba Adelbert nongrum ban nam penrung ya ka jinglung mensiam hapok ka yang Dorbar Synrai ban bu betik tang ya ki jingkili badan kam halor ki jing jubab jong ba prestun tensong uba Adelbert nongrum ula pen pai niya da ka ba ong ba hatu ka jinglong lung mensiam ka dei ka ba pensengau ya pher jingmun ne ka long ka pom
Hans, during that question, I want to take part. Please allow me. It is my privilege.
I've already moved to...
So please, you try to annoy me.
Honorable member, kindly refrain from such kind of accusation of the chair.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Please.
I have raised my hands frequently.
Yes, but don't show that kind of approach to the chair.
This is...
You can request always, and I will always respond.
That's what I have...
Yes. I will
raise
respond.
and I request you in a very...
Yes, I will request.
Decent way.
I will definitely.
Okay, please, sir. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Just one question, please.
Sir, this is a matter of concern, life and death of the people, of this present generation and the future generation. I would like to get a clear specification from Honorable Chief Minister, whether he dares or not to bring this issue, MOU for review. Why? Because MOU, as we all understood that MOU is Memorandum of Understanding. Memorandum of Understanding between whom? Between both Chief Minister of State of Meghalaya and State Assam, or between the two states? If amendment to Constitution can be brought from time to time, why not review of MOU cannot? There must be something behind. Please, sir.
Sir, I respect the sentiments of the honourable member, but I dare to ask him, can you name the 12 areas of differences for me if you are so concerned about it? Please name them. Yeah. Please name the areas of differences and tell me, sir, how many times has he visited these areas of differences and these villages and he's met the people? Please tell us.
Thank you.
Don't read out. Don't read out.
Yes. No.
Say by memory.
I'm not going to read. And I'm not going to spell out. That is your duty bound. That is your duty bound. And you feel at very first place without taking a confidence for all stakeholders. That's why this issue came into...
How can you say that?
Please, Deputy Chief Minister, sir. Respected Deputy Chief Minister.
Please
you yourself,
question,
you have
don't create
by saying that not a single aid will go to Assam. Didn't you?
Mr. Speaker, sir, he has to ask the question.
Deputy Chief Minister, sir. Respected
He has to ask the question. Don't be
You
emotional.
have said that
Don't be emotional.
land will not go to Assam.
Don't be emotional.
Adelbert.
Don't be emotional.
Deputy Chief Minister, please.
Emotional. Because of this, not because of you. You are preaching and you never practice.
Please take a seat, please.
You keep on preaching and never practice.
Please take a seat.
That's why you gotta be emotional.
Please take a seat.
Why? Being emotional is a criminal.
Please take a seat.
It's a
Please take a
sin.
seat. Please.
You don't know anything.
Don't try to
and you talk as if you are the only person.
Don't try to play political drama.
Don't try to act.
This is
Don't
life
try
and
to
death.
act.
This
We
is
are
life
Adelbert,
and
We are
death.
also concerned.
Adelbert, please.
We are concerned about
Land is
this.
life. Don't you understand? Life.
Therefore, Mr.
Land
Speaker,
is
sir,
life.
I think let him
Please.
name that 12
Please.
areas of differences.
Please, Adelbert, please.
So therefore, sir, there is a way of doing things. Emotional outburst is not the way. So that's my request, sir. And to reply back to his question, sir, we dare to move forward with this. It's not a question of dare to not move forward or dare to... We dared to go ahead with this. This is the only government that dared to say that we will do it. We took it as a responsibility that we will do this. It is we who dared. And today, for the honorable member to come up and say that, if you dare to take it out, sir, I mean, these are all very childish statements being made. Let him read and understand what the areas of differences are, understand the problems that the people are facing. Then let him speak and specifically mention which villages he's talking about.